Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to set Hanuman Wallpaper. First of all, you need to open your browser to download a file. You can use, for example, Unsplash or any other stock with pictures to find some picture that you can use. And now it's time to select the picture that you want to apply. So let me use, for example, this one. Enroll the quality. So pick the one that you wish to apply and tap on Download Free. Tap on OK. And then click on Download here. Tap on Open In if you are not already redirected to your photos, and click on Save to Files. Tap on Save then, and that's it. Now you need to open your files. So in your search area, enter Files and go to Chrome, pick the picture that you wish to apply and tap on Share icon. Click on Save Image to have it in your gallery. Now open Photos, select the picture, and all you have to do now is to click on Share icon again. Scroll all the way down. You will find here Use as Wallpaper, smoothly marked. Now you can customize your wallpaper, for example like this. Let me change also the fonts, and you can also change the colors if you wish. Tap on Done, and also now you will be able to switch off the blur on your home screen. So let me just click on Customize Home Screen, unblur it, and tap on Done. So that's it. As you can see, from now on you've got this wallpaper on both home and lock screen. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.